Thank God for wellies.
I reckon.
Out of the way. Get out of the way. Yeah, I know you're falling. You've got food.
There's a GoPro in there somewhere getting absolutely hammered.
I'll go look for some eggs.
If you like. What happened?
So the two planks were like this, and I stepped on the first one and all was well, but then I stepped on the second one to step down, and then that flicked the first one up.
Okay.
So it flung mud at me.
Where? Oh. Oh no.
Another load of washing to do.
So you got 2 eggs and a shitty bum.
We're on day 6 of the honeymoon, and where did we start today?
We started at the farm.
Pahiatua.
That's why I said the farm.
And where did we drive to?
We are now on our way to Lake Taupo. I think that's right.
Yep, and what did we drive past?
A volcano.
Yep, so Mount Ruapehu, which was absolutely stunning, just as stunning as the first time we drove past.
Yeah.
And do you know where we're staying tonight?
No, I don't. I'm just the driver. I just accept that
I've talked about it, he just doesn't listen.
That's because I'm male.
We're staying at Reed's Farm.
Yep.
Right on the lake.
I did know that.
There you go.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night.